Hello everyone. Today I have papaya that ripe. So today let's go to make papaya smoothie with me. สวัสดีค่ะ วันนี้โบจะพาทุกท่านนะคะ ไปทำสมูทตี้มะละกอที่มันใกล้สุกแล้วเราเก็บมาจากสวนไปชมกันเลยค่ะ What you should have for papaya smoothie. Chop papaya to be small piece like this. 2 tablespoons of honey. 1 tablespoon of lime juice. A little bit salt. สิ่งที่ควรมีสมูทตี้มะละกอนะคะหั่นมะละกอเป็นชิ้นแล้วก็น้ำผึ้ง2ช้อนโต๊ะน้ำมะนาว1ช้อนโต๊ะและก็เกลือเล็กน้อย Are you ready? Let's go do it คุณพร้อมหรือยังคะไปทำสมูทตี้มะละกอกันเถอะ Take the papaya that you chop already. About one bowl and 1 lime juice teaspoon. I squeeze fresh one. And 2 teaspoons of honey. Oh, sorry. Sorry, my honey is still new. Okay. Okay. One glass of ice, half cold water, half glass. Okay, start it. Blender. Done. It's still not blend good, so I working in the blender again. Good. Pour in the glass. Wow, you see? It's good. It's good. You can make it. This drinking I recommend you is very delicious. Have energy. Thank you for keep watching until the end of the video. I hope you can do it because if I can do it, you can do it. Please feel free to leave comment below. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ